Hey, do you love your family? Do you love your kids? Do you value yourself? If yes, then please watch this video till the end. Hi guys, my name is Samir Joshi. I'm a financial planner and I'm going to add value to your financial well-being. So what is term insurance plan? Well, today's date, not many salaried individuals are aware about what term plan is and what is the importance of term insurance cover. So let us understand why we need to have term insurance plan and what term insurance plan is all about and how do we get that. So let's first understand why we need term insurance plan. Well, if we have our dependents, we have our family, we have our kids, to give them financial security, every earning member of the family needs to have term insurance plan. Mandatory. It's not made compulsory, but it is mandatory for our family to have their financial safety. Because the life is very uncertain, we never know what is going to happen next with us. In the event of uncertain death of the primary family member, who is the primary earning member of the family, we can imagine what is the situation with them. Now, if we have a large lump sum cover, large lump sum life insurance cover to them, it can get them a very good financial security. So that is the reason why we need to have term insurance plan. So in the event of any uncertain event happens with us, any kind of untimely death due to any reason, our family's future is protected because term insurance cover provides them with a huge lump sum amount in one go. And that is the reason why we need to have term insurance cover. So let's understand how do we calculate our life insurance cover while taking term insurance plan. So everybody just thinks that they require 1 crore of life insurance cover. Well, is 1 crore the only amount that we should be aiming at when we apply for term insurance plan? Well, let me tell you how we can calculate our human life value in a very simplistic manner. Technically speaking, when we calculate human life value, we have to take lots of things into consideration. Our expenses, our income, our property values, etc. There are so many things we have to consider to calculate human life value. But I'm going to make it simple for you because if I have 10 lakh rupees of my annual income and if I am 30 years of age, I can go up to 25 times of my annual income as my term insurance cover. Well, in that case, someone who has 10 lakh rupees of annual income and if he is 30 years of age, he can go for 2.5 crores of life insurance cover. Well, and that doesn't cost too much. Isn't that amazing? Well, we are covered with a very little amount which is paid annually for 2.5 crore rupees of cover, which does not increase. The premium doesn't increase even if the age increases. So it's better to go for term insurance cover when we are very young because our premiums are going to be constant even if our age increases. So we get the premium benefit. So if you are young, you haven't got the term plan, you have income, you are going to have family or you already have family, we suggest you very strongly to apply for term insurance cover today. Please do not waste your time. So what do we get when we go for term insurance plan? Well, when we apply for term insurance plan, we are covered from day one when the policy gets active. Well, after my policy gets active, if I die immediately on a very next day, due to any reason, whether it can be accidental death or natural death, my family gets a lump sum amount of the cover which I have chosen. Second best thing about term insurance cover is that it also provides you tax benefit under section 80C. So you can also save your income tax with the premium that you have paid. Another good part about term insurance cover is it also covers so many calamities. It also covers suicide after 1 year. It also covers death due to terrorism. Yes, and there are so many other benefits available when you buy term insurance cover. It covers critical illnesses, it covers accidental calamities, etc. And if you want to know more about it, more about the term insurance plan, how you can buy it and how you can calculate your term insurance requirement, please feel free to contact us. The link is available in the description. Please fill the form and our team will get in touch with you. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video to as many friends as you can, because term insurance cover is the need of an hour. So this is Samir Joshi. Thank you very much.